What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's more about the garage door opener I got over here. It's a LiftMaster 8550, something like that. It's a newer one, a couple years old now, but all the new ones are basically the same thing. But the main issue I have with it is this guy right here, Security Plus 2.0. So if your cars have HomeLink, basically any modern car has HomeLink, might be an option, although nowadays I think it's mostly standard. On the newer cars, like 2010 and up, not exactly, but the kind of rough estimate, my 2015 C63, 23 SLS, neither of these cars have an issue with this garage door opener at all. They work just fine. The pairing mode, works just fine as expected. Pairing has always been annoying with these cars, but it is what it is. Usually you can get it to work. It's only a one-time thing. So these cars work fine. However, this 2009 ML63 and this 2009 335 actually do not work with this garage door opener. Now, as you can see, I recently installed this mirror in this 335 that has the HomeLink buttons. I'm not sure if you can quite see that, but they're there. And this ML also has HomeLink. And funnily enough, with our old garage door opener, our previous ML63, that was also an 09, worked just fine. However, so there is a retrofit kit you can get for these newer openers, which is pretty annoying. You have to buy something else, so that these older cars do work. But when we first got this new opener, it was about $100, so we thought, you know what, not worth it. We're just going to use the openers and these two cars. At the time, that one didn't even have the integrated opener anyways, so there was really no point in buying it. However, I looked on Amazon the other day, and I noticed it's only $30. So I was like, you know what, why not? We got two cars that can't use their openers that they already have, so I'm just going to pick it up, and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Back at the messy desk over here, or workbench rather. It's a pretty small little box, very easy install though. Really, all you have to do is put this, plug it in right next to your garage door opener. So for me, it's somewhere up there. There it is, right there. So we got to get this into that alley over there, and kind of try and extend this wire a little bit toward the opener itself. I'm hoping my support beam for my garage will not get in the way. If not, I may have to get a little crafty with some small extension cords and stuff. But I am hoping that this should work just as expected. And then instead of using the traditional garage door opener to pair the cars, we'll be using this guy instead. So first off, I'm going to get this guy plugged in next to my opener over there, and I'll get back to you guys. So there we got the repeater plugged in just above the garage door opener. The antenna straight out facing toward the opener itself. Unfortunately, I had to remove quite a lot of stuff above my my overhead racks, but no big deal. Hopefully now we can connect our cars just as normally would. Alright, so I just paired my BMW. It's actually extremely easy. So what you do first is you hold these two buttons together, and as you can see, we're going to get this into pairing mode. And obviously my garage door is moving around because it's already paired. This should erase the memory though, just so I can show you guys it once again. So we're going to wait for that LED to start blinking. It might take, 30 seconds maximum. Let's see. So right now it's in pairing mode, as you can see there. We can let go now. And I'm going to take my HomeLink opener, the new one, from the bridge, hold this down at the same time as the primary button, or whichever button you're programming. It's blinking slowly, now blinking fast. Alright, we can stop now. And now, I'm going to open my garage door just once again. Now we go up to our garage door opener itself, and we press the learn button, which for me is the yellow button right there. It's going to glow. I'm not going to do it now because it's already paired. But then after that, we would come back to the car. Oh, I forgot that. So once you press that yellow button, you have 30 seconds. You got to press this, and then your light should blink over there. There we go. So our program now should be complete. So now if I press the button once again, we have garage door control, which is perfect. So that is exactly how we do in our BMW. It should be more or less exactly the same with that 09 ML over there. Just going to open it once again. Perfect. Alright, now we're in the Benz. Just got to put the ignition on. To press the button should do. First thing we want to do is clear out the memory because I'm not sure whose house is really on this anymore. So I'm going to press the 2 first button and the third button at the same time. So you can see the orange light is lit up. It should become green when it's done or start flashing. I'm not quite sure which.
A few moments later.
May take a minute. There we go. It's flashing. So now we're good to go. It's all reset. We can let go of those. Alright, now we're going to try the same thing by pressing the bridge connector, or bridge remote, sorry, and the first button of the mirror at the same time until it starts flashing really fast. There we go, it's flashing really fast. Now we're going to go over to the actual garage door. We're going to press that training button again. There we go. Walk back to the car. In the car, I'm going to press the button and make sure the light turns off, or blinks rather. There we go. And now, and there we have it. Now it's working once again. Perfect. Now I have two more cars that can use their integrated mirrors for the garage openers, and that's it for this video, guys. Hope it helped you out. I know I was kind of searching for a solution for this for quite a long time, but finally, now we have one. Yeah, pretty happy with this. Let me know if you guys have any questions. It is pretty annoying that you have to buy a HomeLink bridge for your current or newer opener to work. They could have easily kind of put that into the circuitry of your opener, but you know, they can make more money this way. But yeah, it'd be a shame to not have these working, so now we do. That's it.